Hi everyone, my name is Tyler Denoya, and I have just completed my first semester of graduate school here at Fort Hays this past semester. I graduated with my bachelor's degree in advertising back in 2016, so it's been a little bit since I've been in school. Um, I have decided to go down this path of becoming an elementary school teacher since I was teaching preschool these past 5 years, and that was so exciting. And I love working with the little kiddos, and it's just so fun to see their faces when they learn something new and they get so excited. And I just really love that energy. And I've always loved working with kids, so this just kind of seemed like the next natural thing to do. So I was working at a private preschool in Olathe, Kansas. But right now, I have gotten the opportunity to be a nanny for my nephew. So I'm watching my 9-month-old nephew right now while I'm taking my classes online. So that's been great to kind of have that flexibility to get online and do schoolwork if I need to, but also focus on it mostly in the evenings after his parents get home. So that's been really great. I had to move to go ahead and do this. So that's been a new fun adventure. Um, and I really loved getting to spend this bonding time with my nephew a lot. So my technology strengths and weaknesses. Um, I think I'm okay with some of the technology, this video, YouTube, social media, using Word document, PowerPoints, it's all going pretty well. Um, Some of it I'm not as good with. I like when my parents ask me questions about technology and they're like, "You're the young one, you should know." And sometimes I don't. So it is what it is on that. I'm looking forward to learning new things with technology and how they are integrated in the classroom in elementary school. Even working in the preschool, we got out iPads and they use different programs, and we got different game apps, and it helped them with their numbers and spelling and reading. And it's incredible to watch a preschooler start to learn their letters and trying to sound out words. It's really amazing. So I'm hoping to continue that in the elementary school system. So look forward to working with you all and learning a little bit more about you.